In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge multiple Google Calendars into single calendar. If you have events scattered across different calendars and want everything visible in one place, this walkthrough will help you consolidate cleanly and safely. First, open Google Calendar in a desktop browser for the best experience. Click the gear icon in the top right. Choose Settings, then look to the left menu and select Import and Export. Under Export, click Export to download your calendar data as a zip file. This download is important for two reasons. It collects each calendar as its own .ics file, and it doubles as a backup of your events before you make any changes. Save the zip somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder or desktop. Next, extract the zip file on your computer. On most systems, you can double-click the zip and choose to unzip or extract. Inside the extracted folder, you'll see one or more .ics files, usually named after the calendars they came from. Each .ics file contains all the events from that specific calendar, including recurring events and details like descriptions and locations. Identify the .ics files for the calendars you want to merge so you know exactly what you'll import. Now, decide which Google Calendar will be your primary destination, the one where you want everything to live going forward. Return to Google Calendar. Click the gear icon again, go to Settings and select Import and Export. This time, click Import. This is where you'll bring those .ics files into your chosen calendar. Click Select File from your computer. Browse to the folder where you extracted the zip, and choose one of the .ics files. Then, use the Add to Calendar dropdown to pick your destination calendar, the primary one you selected earlier. Confirm the import to add those events. Depending on the size of the file, it may take a moment. Repeat this import for each additional .ics file you want to merge. If an .ics contains events you already have, you may see duplicates since importing creates copies rather than linking the original calendars. Also note that colors and sharing settings do not transfer through .ics files. You are importing event data only. Once you've imported all the relevant .ics files into the same destination calendar, your events are consolidated. Because you began with an export, you still have a full backup if you ever need it. That's how you merge multiple Google Calendars into a single calendar without losing your information. Thanks for watching.